You're probably wondering why I'm standing in the middle of a football pitch. Well, at Savoys, we host one of the most exclusive networking events in the UK. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get the best out of networking events, how networking events can actually supercharge your property journey, and which networking event is the best in the UK. Your network is essential for your success within property. This is down to two reasons. Firstly, you need to build your core team. Getting out there, networking, meeting people allows you to build that core team. This is your contractors, from your builders to your electricians, to your solicitors, brokers, lenders. This is going to play a massive part in your journey. Secondly, just going out and networking, you learn a lot, may not necessarily from people's successes, but from their failures. This actually allows you to learn a lot from there and maybe avoid those pitfalls that others have and accelerate your property journey. People do business with people they like. Now, if you're known within the industry and you're liked within the industry, it's a lot easier for you to actually get a deal done. Let me give you a prime example where we've actually got our Savoys office. It's basically a block of 6 commercial units and 3 residential units. We had 40 people actually going for this site, but when I actually contacted the agent I'd never dealt with before, but he knew who we were through our social media presence. I met him, he said, look, I like you, I want to get this deal done with yourself. We ended up getting our offer accepted ahead of all the other 40 people that were looking for that site. That site is probably one of the best deals that we've done during our 23 years within property, and is a prime example of why you should get out there, why you should network, why you should get people to like you, and how that can actually benefit you in the long run. Within property, life is all about fair exchange. What do I mean by this? You need to actually provide value to the people that you're networking with so they can find value of hanging out with you, and they can then actually return that favor. Now, I'll give you an example of this. 3 years ago, a young kid called Hardy contacted us through Instagram and said, look, I really want to meet, and he was persistent. And I brushed it off, and then eventually, through his persistence over the next 2 months, we actually met up with him. And he came to me with actually a plan. He goes, look, I've had a look and I can add value in your business by X, Y, Z, including our website and certain marketing material that you can provide. And he said, I'll do this at no cost. However, you've got to mentor me and you do that at no cost. So we said, okay, fine. So we went through this journey. He added that value. I saw the value within him. We ended up now making him a partner within our Savoys development arm of our business. Now he's actually on his 5th development project during those 3 years. Our networking events are different from every other networking event in the UK. Now, why are we different? Well, when we actually went to some of these other networking events out there, we typically paid 20, 30 pounds, sat in the basement of a hotel, and we had 2-3 speakers, and literally all they did during that period was just pitch their course. And then only found the networking value at the end when we maybe went to a bar just to have a drink and meet some people. And I had that thought with Sanjay, well, imagine if we can take out basically those 2 hours that we just wasted listening to these guys trying to sell their courses, and actually make a networking event where your focus is on people, networking, building those relationships, getting to know each other. And that is exactly what we've done. And we've had it in unique venues such as this one where we are today at Watford Football Club, and others that we have throughout the year, including the Dilly Hotel, Threadneedles Hotel, and Saracens Rugby Club. Through our 23 years in property, we found if you have an experience with an individual or a business, it actually helps build that connection. With a memorable event, a memorable occasion, it actually makes the day more memorable, and it will stick in the back of your mind for a very long time. Now, what happens if a person and a business has that memorable experience and exchange? You're more likely to get a deal done. Now, this bit is important. There's no point having a memorable experience with someone and them going home and connecting with you on socials, whether it be LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social media platform, and your platform is actually blank. You need to get out there and start posting some content, show what you're actually doing. That individual that's following you now from that memorable experience will see what you're actually doing and work out a way then you can both work together and build that relationship. Now we're going to give away 2 tickets to our Q2 event near the Royal Exchange in London. All you need to do is comment Q2 and subscribe, and we hope to see you there.